Hey, what's your poppin' with ya? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know by the title, you know what's going on. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and explain what's going on, get into detail, and that's just on period. So you already know what I'm gonna say. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification button, and hit that like button as well. And that's just on period because I am gonna be posting. So just go ahead and turn on that notification button. So I started off with wet hair and I just brushed it through. I actually put gel on it and then like wet it. But yeah. So I started with a side part so I can end up braiding it to the back, 2 braids to the back, and then braid it down, if you know what that means. As you can see, I got the side part completed, and that's what I was talking about earlier. But just keep watching. Mind me, I just wanted to do a little video because the lighting was hitting. You already know. So after I got the part completed, I actually started on the braids that's going back, but not really. I braided 2 braids going back, but not all the way, just a little bit, and then braided into the regular braid. So you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Just keep watching and just stay tuned, period. You can see this is what I was talking about, 2 braids going back but not all the way, and I'm braiding them 2 braids into this braid going straight down basically. So you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about in a second, but just keep watching. Try to do like a design, but comment down below if it's cute. Give me a 1 out of 10 how I did. You already know, I need to know. Then I did the part in the back, which is gonna be like for the 2 ponytails, to pick the 2 braids that's gonna be in the front into the ponytails. So if you don't know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be like taking a loose hair, slicking it all the way back to the back, and then just putting the other braid in there, if that makes sense. Okay, now basically I'm doing the other side, just a random braid going straight down into the other ponytail. I'm not going to do a design, I'm just going to leave it like that. So just stay tuned and watch. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and that's on period. Make sure they subscribe. Tell late uncles and mamas to subscribe. It don't matter. Okay, so I'm just braiding the braid down into the ponytail, the slick back ponytail like the other side. I'm gonna stop talking, and if I need to explain something, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just combing it into the ponytail, I'm gonna add the hair to it, and that's about it. Just a little spin show for y'all so y'all can see how I came out without me even adding the hair yet. But yeah, I'm actually adding locks, and I'm connecting it to the ponytail and wrapping it as a bun. So you gonna see that. I really don't have to explain it, but I'm gonna just tell y'all I put it on a little screen thing and I tied it onto there, and then I just twisted it into a bun, and that's about it. Just gonna give y'all a close-up of this hairstyle. I didn't do the other side yet, but I'm basically doing the same thing, tying it on there, wrap it around into a bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now stay tuned to the end to see the results of everything. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification button, because I will be posting, period. So this is the end result, like a dreadlock buns with braids in the front. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below how you think I did and what other hairstyles I should do. Give me some motivation and give me some ideas, because why not? You're watching me and I want you to be entertained. So that's just on period. Thank you for watching, and I hope you come back. Peace out.